Hey, Top Gun Options traders and investors. Matt Buckley, call sign Wiz, the primary model portfolio manager here at TGO. I wanted to knock out a quick market intel brief because I know some of you out there are just sitting there rubbing your face, wondering why you're getting smacked around week to week. Last week we had a rip your face off rally based on the ECB president Mario Draghi saying, "Hey, I'm going to do whatever it takes to save the eurozone." And if you were in our live trade briefs or our trade alert service, you'd know exactly how we sold the heck out of those comments. The guy essentially saying he's going to do his job. The market rallied on it, and he really needed to back those words up with actions. And just knowing we've been looking at Spanish and Italian bond yields and just taking a look strategically in our live trade briefs of what was going on in Europe, we sold the heck out of that. And of course, the guy fell on his sword with his comments today. What's that mean for us in the Top Gun Options model portfolio? Look at this. On a day when the market's down 136 points, our model portfolio is up nearly $5,000. And we had a great trade on Green Mountain Coffee Roasters. Look at GMCR, came out with earnings yesterday. The stocks was up as high as 29%, and we had a great bull put spread based on earnings. And look at this. So potential to make $3,000. There we are at a $2,700 gain just in one trade alone. So having a great time in the model portfolio. Let's performance speaks louder than words. From March 1st through today, as I'm shooting this video, the model portfolio, based on about $50,000 in haircut, is up over $38,000. And again, that's about $50,000 in capital being deployed, not even the full $100,000. So we're having a great time trading this market, folks. If you're not, I'm telling you, you're doing it wrong. On a day like today, when the market's down 140 points, if your portfolio doesn't have some bright greens, some light greens, some pinks, and some reds, you're trading wrong. So stop trading this market solo. Here's what you need to do. I want you to go to this page right now, topgunoptions.com/TA-LTB-services. And when you get on that page, just take a test flight, folks. If you want to trade with me with trade alerts that are emailed or text alerted out to you, click this button. And you can also trade live with me for about 2 hours a week in our live trade briefs for 28 bucks. Or if you kind of know what you're doing and you're a more advanced options trader, check out our intermediate and advanced trade alerts and live trade briefing service. That one's 28 bucks. But folks, obviously this is where most of our folks end up. They're in all of our services. They're skill-based, so they get some primary and intermediate trade alerts, and they get some advanced trade alerts and live trade briefs. So what are you waiting for? If you're on days like today, seriously, if you're just staring at your screen going, the heck am I doing wrong? I have no idea how to trade this market, then stop talking to yourself like that and get on board. At least give us a test flight. And look at this. Now we're up over $5,000. As other services that you might be subscribed to are sending out apology emails for their performance during these market conditions, Top Gun Options is just knocking the cover off the ball. Okay? And I don't like to tout our own horn, but I got to tell you, these market conditions are perfect for trading options, okay? With 300-point swing up days last week and 300-point swing down days this week, you probably got some vertigo. We don't. At Top Gun Options, we're straight and level, and we're putting some serious missiles downrange and getting some serious successes. Okay, so like I said, here's the link again, and the video will redirect to the page here. But go to topgunoptions.com/TA-LTB-services. I mean, just looking at this GMCR trade by itself, there's a $2,700 profit in. I think we put this on about 2 weeks ago. This bull put spread. So that's not too shabby work for about for a couple weeks there. Okay, so good luck trading solo if that's what you want to keep on doing. Otherwise, welcome aboard Top Gun Options. Go to that link, give us a test flight, and let us prove to you that we know what the heck we're doing in a market like this. And again, people lie, numbers don't. So there's how we're doing on a day like today when the market's down 140 points. Let me give you a free trade, as a matter of fact, since I'm in such a good mood. We just put this one on. The VIX is pulling back a little bit right now. We're using that as an opportunity to get long volatility. So we're selling 40 of the AUG 12, 15, 17 bull put spreads at about 32 cents there. But the mark, I might have to change that since vol's going up a little bit as the market's crashing here. Probably 30 cents there. Okay, so there you go. I'm even better mood. I just sent that trade alert out to our subscribers, so I just gave you a free trade because I'm in such a good mood today. And if you're not in a good mood on days like today when the market's down, you don't have a hedge portfolio. Okay, so I got to go. Got to get back to trading, sending out more trade alerts to our traders. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I hope to see you in our live trade briefs or our trade alert services.